Got a cough that won't quit? Here are some quick remedies to help soothe it fast. Remedy 1. Drink warm tea with honey and lemon. It soothes your throat and helps calm the cough. Remedy 2. Make ginger tea. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce irritation. Remedy 3. Try steam inhalation. It clears airways and relieves that scratchy feeling in your throat. Remedy 4. Drink lots of warm water. Staying hydrated helps thin mucus and keeps your throat moist. Remedy 5. Use natural cough syrups, like those with honey or herbal extracts, to ease the symptoms. Take it easy and give these remedies a try. Here's to feeling better soon. Follow and subscribe for more tips.